What is up, y'all? Hope y'all are having a great day. It is very windy here in Nashville today. Wanted to get out and show y'all how I play golf when it's windy, because I do make a little different adjustments here and there for when it is windy, all the way down to putting. I do change my stance just slightly. So we're gonna get out. We're gonna play 6 to 9 holes. I don't know how many holes we're gonna get in. Hopefully this rain holds off, but we're gonna get out and show you how to play golf in the wind. I am going to go ahead and apologize for the audio on this video. I may be cutting a lot of the audio out and overlaying some music. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm not sure how much the wind is going to affect the audio today, but just wanted to apologize for that. And I guess let's just get out there. We'll see you out there. Number 10 here, par 3, playing about 175 yards. No wind. I'm normally going to hit an 8-iron. However, this wind is directly into us. I've got a 6-iron in hand. I'm going to swing a little easier, reduce the spin so I flight it lower. You don't want to create a lot of spin when hitting dead into the wind. So take a little more club, swing easy, reduce that spin. Hit that one pretty decent, might be a hair long, but our number was pretty close. Upwards of 40 miles an hour with a constant wind of about 20, I think. So yeah, a bit breezy out on the links today. Number 11 here, par 4, dead into the wind. I know most people think tee it down lower, kind of head down on the ball to keep it lower with the driver when playing dead into the wind. I'm going to tee it up normal and honestly just hit it my normal ball flight. I don't want to think about hitting down on the ball because that will create spin. You don't want spin when hitting dead into the wind. Quick question. Comment below who you would like to see me collaborate with here in 2019. Would love to branch out, collaborate with a bunch of new YouTubers. So let me know who you'd like to see me collaborate with here on YouTube. We pulled that tee shot just a bit. Yep, fairway's over there. That was a little left. Have about 140 yards left here. That was a 9-iron there from 140 yards. I normally am gonna hit a 9-iron a little over 160. Just kind of chipped that one, kept it down below the wind, hit it on a pretty decent number and gave ourselves a birdie look. When I get in super windy conditions, I am actually going to widen my stance putting just a little bit, maybe about 1.5 to 2 inches, just to give myself a little wider base. Helps with balance when I'm putting. Number 12 here, par 4, dogleg right. It's perfect for my cut, my normal ball flight. So instead of trying to hit a draw into the wind to keep it on a straighter ball flight, I'm just going to adjust my aim a little further left for that wind and just play my normal ball flight. No manipulation here. We hit that one pretty straight. It didn't cut much, but didn't hit a draw. Pretty much right where we were aiming. Should be all right. I did misjudge that wind direction just slightly. With hitting that dead straight, it went through the dog leg. We were over here in the trees, unfortunately, right there. So, squirted just a little right on me. However, it's really not in bad shape from where we were, having to hit that punch from underneath the trees. Let's get this up and in for our par and move on to 13. That is not looking good over there, y'all. We are gonna try to get this in before that storm gets here. I really hate to do this, but we're gonna have to cut today's video a little short. Hope you enjoyed watching me play a few holes in the wind. Hopefully some of those tips will help you next time you're in very windy conditions. As you can see from the radar, that storm is serious and rolling in quick. It's already started raining, so this is all for today's video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe below, ring that bell, and like this post. Any future content that you would like to see, please put in the comments below. Let me know what you'd like to see. And again, thank y'all so much, and we'll see you when we see you. Yeah, we gotta get out of here. We are not gonna make it. We're already getting soaked. This is ridiculous. It's coming down, and now my phone's soaked. We'll see y'all next time.